That's a terrible thing to get caught on. We're just gonna hide again. Whoops. Fuck! I don't think he'll teleport all the way up here. He doesn't teleport all the way up there, but he does kill me. Anyways, I might die. Honestly, I might die. 9 health. Fuck! Just kidding. I'm dead. I'm not. It's fine. Alright, we're doing no items. Fuck it. From challenge to challenge, we're bouncing around. You ready for this, Christian? You ready to see a no item run? This is what it looks like, baby. Easy. Easy as fuck. Easy as fuck. This is on the mode that perma damages. Just a heads up. If you are curious, we're doing perma damage, all the other bullshit that comes along with the perma damage stuff. So less gold, less everything. Enemies attack faster and harder, and you heal like infinitely less. So, should be a good time. I've been trying this for like days. I will say it's not that fun anymore. It was all cute and quirky at first. Now it's horrible. But it's fine because we got some fucking jams going on. I'm editing the stream title really quickly. Cool. Stream done. Stream title complete. Do. Now those are the enemies that keep killing me. The wisps, that's what I die to, like, every time without fail. It's a hard life. But we should be good. The first 2 stages are like doable, I've found. The second 2, less doable. The second 3, I guess. Because really it is 3 stages. But we kind of just get to goof off on the first 2 stages, which is nice. Because I've got them down to like nearly a science. Now, I cannot find the boss. What? Got it. Got it. This is a horrible spot for the boss. Especially if it's a queen. Same boss. Titan. Titan's good. We like the Stone Titan. We love Wetland aspect because this one is mostly just jellyfish. And the jellyfish enemies, when they come in and attack you and you hit them, they like freak out because their AI sucks. So it makes this one a lot more doable. Or this like stage specifically. The other stage 2s are a lot harder. But still like manageable. As long as I don't get Dune Strider. But what keeps fucking me up is I keep getting a really the Imp Overlord on stage 3. Kind of without fail, I've been getting the fucking Dune Strider, or the Imp Overlord, which is just a really hard boss. And so like getting something like Vagrant on stage 3 would be awesome. Not this time. Yeah, fingers crossed, huh? And then the other thing that happened last time was I had some really, really good runs, and then I accidentally, like, as I was, like, doing the teleporter and stuff, I would pick up the fucking boss item. So, like, I've lost, like, 3 runs to that, too. It's actually brutal. This challenge sucks. But it makes me feel good, like I'm good at this game. Come here, bitch. Oh. Alright, let's roll. Sick. And my movement in this character has gotten so much better, too. It's not, like, as good as it should be, though. But we'll get there, huh? These can be really good. The void seeds, because they damage all normal enemies. So if they're voided, it doesn't damage them. But if they're not voided, it does, which is really, really nice. But anyways, this is the stage. Imp Overlord spawns. There he is. Without fail, every fucking time. And because I have no items, no speed, no nothing, no bitches, no dick, literally nothing. He just moves around, fucks me over every goddamn time. It's the worst boss. I can't stand it. And he throws fucking needles at me, and it hurts me, and it's not fun. And I hate him. But this time will go different. You said it, so I believe it. I could probably get him to teleport, actually, into the void. I'm gonna try that. We'll see how it goes. He doesn't really like to go into the void. But we'll try it, maybe? I don't know. I don't know if we will. Like, he just somehow is able to get that tick damage off, like, every time without fail. And it's super frustrating. But this is the best I've done against him, actually. Like, this is easily the best I've ever done against him. Yeah, teleport here, buddy. I don't think any enemies can come up here. Okay, I'm actually playing this so well. He might just die here. Amazing. 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 That's crazy. Stage 3 may be done. Maybe done. Fuck the machine gun. Actually, no, not happening. Come here, everything. I am kiting all the enemies this way. Because I don't actually want them to fight me. Or I don't want to fight the enemies. So we're gonna hang here for a hot minute. Sweet. This is good. You ever have Malona ice cream pops? Yeah, I have many times. Are they the Mexican ones? Yeah. It might be time to leave here pretty soon. I don't want to get too greedy. Fuck, 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 fuck. That was scary, but it's fine. I thought they were, but apparently made in Korea. Yeah, us Koreans are pretty much sick. I'll say it. We do everything right, even Mexican ice cream. Later. I'm out. I'm gonna do it again. '91, '92, '93, '94, '95, '96, '97, '98, '99. This is my first time getting to stage 4. This is my first time ever. That's huge. This is huge. This is massive. Okay. Okay. Now just don't play this like a moron. I think the boss is gonna be in here. So good. You know. Dude, I fucking believe it. Holy shit, I'm like shaking, dude. This is my first time ever getting this far. It's very scary. Just don't be Imp Overlord. Be Stone Titan. Be Stone Titan. Be Stone Titan. Be Stone Titan. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Actually, oh my god. Oh my god. It wasn't the worm, dude. Worm would have been just awful. That's pretty scary, but it's fine. Dude. Dude. That's it. That's it. I'm done. I'm gonna do it more tomorrow. Oh, I'm over that.